385 years writer and actor, and who can forget the Poe cycle? The 1960s Corman, along with Vincent Price, turning the stories of Edgar Allan Poe into cinematic gold. 49 degrees right now. It is lightly raining in Central Park. We're going up to 54. For years, a hand-carved totem pole has graced the beachfront of Lemon Creek Park in Princess Bay on Staten Island. But now that sculpture has been vandalized, the Staten Island Advance reports the piece of artwork has been there since at least 2017. It's been hacked apart and burned.
Here he is.
Say of park-goers who enjoyed the unique piece. Councilman Joe Borelli quoted in the paper, using words I can't say on the radio. He's very upset. Let's just say if that somebody would damage this art. All anybody needs to know is that the artist is a guy named Kevin who would take very good care of the piece. He'd actually make modifications and updates to keep it looking good and help it withstand the weather. It's unclear what'll happen now. Totem pole. An exciting and history-making moment for a New Jersey family. 5 siblings all graduating from Montclair State University tomorrow. Not just any 5 siblings, they're quintuplets, the Pavolo quintuplets. Victoria, Ludovico, Ashley, Michael, Marcus, all walking across the stage at Prudential Center during the university's commencement tomorrow. They are from Montclair, New Jersey. A New Hampshire teenager is under arrest after getting into an argument with a woman and then waiting for the woman and her 4-year-old kid to go into a porta potty. And then he tipped it over. This is so nasty. Manchester, New Hampshire police telling People magazine 18-year-old Aiden Studer got into this beef with this lady and then dumped the porta potty all over her. She was covered with everything you can imagine she'd be covered with. He was arrested and charged with criminal restraint, criminal mischief, and simple assault. Winds News Time 9:49. Traffic, transit, and AccuWeather coming right up.
Retired or retiring soon? How much money do you need to live comfortably? Retirement Planners of America is here for you. Would you like to have financial peace of mind? Here's how. Step 1. Find out the amount of money you'll need to retire. Step 2. Have a plan to get there.
This is one of my budgies.
That plan can take advantage of market gains, but protect you from market losses. Discover how to do all 3 with a free consultation at 800-508-6108. That's 800-508-6108.
All investments involve risk, including losses. Past performance does not guarantee future results.
eBay Motors is here for the ride. Go ahead.
He said, such a good bird. Look at him.
You get over 122 million parts to keep it running. And with eBay Guaranteed Fit, they'll be the perfect fit every time. Plus, at these prices,
Ow. He can bite. Let me tell you.
Keep your ride or die alive at ebaymotors.com. Eligible items only. Exclusions apply.
Do you have bad credit but need a new car? Do you have trouble getting a car loan for any reason? Call Credit Solutions, a division of Hudson Hyundai. It's easy to apply right over the phone. No matter your credit pass, call 800-951-4221. That's 800-951-4221. Choosing private with just $68 down. Like a Hyundai Tucson, only $68 down. And all new redesigned Kona, just $68 down.
You hear me? He goes on the keyboard.
Drive home today. Call 800-951-4221. That's 800-951-4221. Choose from their huge selection of over 500 cars and SUVs available. And all new Hyundais come with Hyundai Assurance and America's best 10-year, 100,000
Hey, Chicopee.
mile warranty. Call Credit Solutions for a pre-approval today. 800-951-4221. That's 800-951-4221.
It's my bird.
Or HudsonHyundai.com.
Black men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer in his lifetime, and we're more than twice as likely to die from the disease. Talk to your doctor about getting screened for prostate cancer with a simple blood test. The Prostate Cancer Foundation is here to help. Go to PCS.
Oh, thank you.
Know your risk.
Winds News Time 9:51. Time for traffic and transit. Take it away, Sue Aller.
I wish I could take away Route 80 because it is just a mess right now. We're going to start off with a jackknife tractor trailer. It is on the westbound side of exit 58, Madison Avenue in Patterson. 3 right lanes are blocked. It is stop and go through this area, and then a 1-car spin out on the eastbound side of Route 80 at 280, exit 47A. So you have the right lane blocked. So be extra careful out there.
So this,
you definitely want to get there to see your mom.
his name is Kitsos. It's kind of a unique name, but I'll put it in the chat.
Two right lanes are blocked. So it looks like these crashes have been cleared up Garden State Parkway southbound. First one at 137, then another one at exit 105.
Put it in the chat.
Let's take it over to your bridges and tunnels. Here's what you need to know about your bridges and tunnels. There is
Come here, boy.
bridge heading into
Come on,
Brooklyn
Kitso.
level an accident. So the lower level will be much better. George Washington.
I have another one. His name is Airplane. You can guess why. He's always flying around the house. Oh, thank you. Kitso. Oh, Linda. She was just here. I gotta see. I'm gonna see if she's around. You'd be surprised. This little guy has ow. He can bite too. He's laid on top of Linda before. I gotta find the picture of that. That was funny and post it. Let me see if Linda's around.
Turns out partly sunny and warmer tomorrow. High 68. Clouds and limited sunshine Tuesday. Warms to 75. That's probably our warmest day of the week. As the afternoon wears on, look for a growing chance of showers. That'll morph into some rainy weather for Wednesday with a high of 67. Right now, light rain and 49 at Central Park. Humidity 93%. The wind south 7. Repeating the current temperature, 49, going up to just 54 in Midtown. I'm meteorologist.
Uh-oh. Here she is. Oops. Hey, Linda.
Folks are spending less this year.
The National Retail Federation says overall consumers are spending less on Mom this Mother's Day compared to last year. But Mom, don't fret, because you're far from being forgotten.
We're going back to some of the basics. We're seeing more consumers focus on traditional items like flowers,
Hey, Linda.
cards, or planning a special outing for their mom.
However, the Federation's Catherine Cullen says you can always
Okay.
exceptions.
Consumers between the ages of 35 and 44 the most likely to buy a gift of jewelry or a gift of electronics.
The organization concludes that despite fewer dollars being spent, the same proportion of Americans are celebrating Mother's Day this year.
Oh, it's going good. Thank you. You know, just taking it easy today. It's Sunday, so Mother's Day. By the way, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, to your mom, and even all the moms of four-legged creatures. Right?
Around the world.
Oh, I'm sorry, Chicopee. I'm sorry to hear that.
Several hundred gathered outside the Melmo Arena before the final, with some shouting shame at arriving music fans protesting war. Correspondent Matt Piper, some controversy too at a gay bar in Brooklyn. $3 bills strapped their Eurovision watch party because of a singer representing Israel. They said they didn't want to give Israel a platform. There was a whole lot of online backlash about this, including Congressman Richie Torres, who called it anti-Semitic. The bar reversed their course and did end up hosting the event.
I'm John Morgan. When you call Morgan & Morgan, America's largest injury law firm,
I just can't imagine. I'm sure that's, you know, you only have one mom and in life, so that's the way I always look at it, you know. We have to appreciate our mother, but I'm sure she's proud of you, though, so, you know.
Grammy Award winner Alicia Keys and the director of Rent. Hell's Kitchen is Broadway's hottest new musical. The New York Times calls it thrilling, a must-see, and a critic's pick. It's the best singing you'll hear on Broadway, raised the New York Post. And the Amsterdam News cheers. It's a gorgeous experience that grabs you and keeps you amused.
Have you,
See Hell's Kitchen on Broadway.
yes, she is, I'm sure.
When it comes to advertising, fast food chains want their money's worth. And despite the rise of streaming, for many, traditional TV commercials remain the best way to reach
Yeah,
consumers.
Linda.
According to consumer behavior specialists at EDO, in the
How's your cat doing?
year, consumers were 5% more engaged with quick service restaurant ads on TV than on streaming. But not always. The mouth-watering with a savory filet-o-fish. EDO says
She's good. That's good.
66% more effective on streaming as compared to its average TV ad performance. Starbucks was 47% more effective on streaming with ads like that.
Hey y'all, my name is Tiara, and a little thing that I love about the Chick-fil-A spicy
Chick-fil-A streaming was 32% more effective.
We're live, Linda.
Study found that men over 65 were the most engaged demographic with fast food ads, both on traditional TV and streaming. Bloomberg Money Watch at 26 and 56 past every hour. I'm Steve Otis for 1010 Wins on 92.3 FM. Hey everyone, it's Ted from Consumer Cellular, the guy in the orange sweater, and this is your wake-up call. If you're paying too much for wireless service, you don't have to keep having that nightmare. Consumer Cellular has the same fast, reliable coverage as the leading carriers for less. And for a limited time, new customers receive their second month free when they
Oh, that's cool.
promo code monthfree by May 31st. So why keep spending
It's
more
cool.
than you have to? Seriously.
Hope you had a good time.
And call 1-888-FREEDOM or visit consumercellular.com.
taxes, fees, and other third-party charges will apply. See website for additional details.
Why choose the Sleep Number Smart Bed?
Can I make my side softer?
Can I make my side firmer whenever I want?
Can we sleep cooler?
Sleep Number does that.
Officially opens
And lets you choose your ideal
next week. Oh, you okay? So you probably mean May 15th, right?
And now save 50% on the Sleep Number limited edition Smart Bed. Plus,
That's nice.
and adjustable base and Sunday. To find a store near you, visit sleepnumber.com.
The weather has definitely been improving. So,
Family fun and the right medical care.
although today it's chilly out today.
Their education. That's all great, unless something unexpected happens to you.
It's only going to be like 50 degrees, but it's very cloudy and
That's why you need to call Term Provider for the lowest rates available
just
on term life policies, period.
dreary day.
For term life, we're at all-time lows, and Term Provider could save you 50, 60, even 70%. Already have coverage? Call and see if you're paying too much. Term Provider could.
But last week
If your health isn't perfect, even more reason to
we
call.
went up to almost 90 actually. 80. We hit 87.
Right now, your family's
But because the humidity was so low, you know, it felt kind of nice. It wasn't too bad. Once the humidity though, like gets, you know, when it gets over 50, 60%, it really feels sticky, you know, just yucky. Where's the bird? Where did he go? Where's Kitso? Oh, look, here he is. Let me get him. Come here, Kitso. Oh,
All news, all the time.
come here.
This is 1010 Wins at 92.3 FM, New York.
Good morning. 49 degrees.
Look.
Calvin, here's what's happening. A deadly police-involved shooting in Brooklyn early today. NYPD says a man died after just playing.
I've been a little busy lately, so I haven't been